Hi everybody, today we will be unboxing a DJI Mavic 3 Pro. I have never had one of these before, so this is a fresh experience for both you and I if you've never had one of these before. Please stay tuned as I will be unboxing this little beast. And as I pause the video to make things happen, hang tight for me. Alright, the plastic is coming off. Yay for plastic. Let's see how we get this guy undone now. Alright, looks like it has a little tab at the top. Put that in the trash can so we don't litter our garden. Say hello to our friend Bella. Hi, Bella. Good girl. Yeah. She enjoys hanging out. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Ooh. This seems very fun. Put that protection over there. Let's see what we got inside. Oh golly, that looks like a drone to me. I currently own a Mini 3 Pro, which is, as you may know, if you know anything about the DJI drones, it's sub 250 grams. It is considerably lighter than this guy. This guy is, I want to say it's around the 850, 870 gram weight. And you definitely can feel the weight of this one compared to a smaller drone. Boy, this looks interesting. All right, give me a second while I undo this package, and I will return with you shortly. Sorry, I figured it would be worth noting how to open this. I've never done it before, but it looks like it has a little tab at the bottom. You open this tab, and it just comes right off. Boy, this guy is heavy. This is very exciting. I know I don't sound very excited, but trust me, internally I am giggling as much as I possibly could. There you go. All right. Golly, now that is a bird if I've ever seen one. Propellers seem to be just fine, although I do feel a little bit of an edge kind of scratched to them. I'm not sure if that's just something that was overlooked, or maybe it's supposed to be that way. I know that on the Mini 3 Pro, when you touch the propellers on the sides, they feel very close to what a knife would feel, very sharp. There's that camera. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can zoom in on it real quick. Maybe make it a little bit brighter. There you go. 3 different cameras. Obstacle avoidance forward, back, bottom as well. Top as well, so that would be 360 degree avoidance. My gosh, this guy's heavy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video so we can pull the box next to us and see what's in there. Alright, let's get the box out. See what we got in here. I did notice one thing. The drone came with a completely depleted battery. I wonder if that is for transport purposes, but I will definitely need to be charging this bad boy in order for me to have a little bit of fun. All right. Inside we have our DJI RC remote. I have the same one for my Mini 3 Pro, and I have to say it's a great remote. I just wish they gave this thing something around 1500 nits of brightness. I won't lie to you, I can only assume this may be out of battery as well. Oh, it does have 50% battery. Oh, can't turn it off yet. Need for it to boot up first to turn it off. All right. What do we got in here? Ah, yes. The trusty charger that I will be needing to power up our little battery. That came fully depleted. It looks like these may be some extra. Ah, they give you extra. Wow. 2 pairs. How nice of them. I'm going to turn this off because I need to pair it with the 2-year warranty that I got for it. And now we got ourselves a cable. I believe this is USB-C. Sure is. Well, thank you for watching. I'll go ahead and charge that battery and take out this beast for a quick run. Thanks again. Bye-bye.